Now here we have a 1968 Buick Electra 225. Later on, a lot of these cars, unfortunately, when they got a lot older, like in the late 70s, these are scooped up by people and braced because they had that, 434 barrel engine in there. Here's a price. Wow, optioned out. See, you can buy a '68 Roadrunner for under $3,000. This is $5,500. So in other words, you're getting a lot of luxury with it, but it's pretty close to twice the price. If you're just looking for muscle, that's why they had the cheapo muscle cars too. But 430 cubic inch, 360 horse, 475 torque. Probably a turbo 25 gallon gas tank. You would need that with this car. This thing would probably get about 12 on a highway, maybe. I'm not sure. Not really sure. This car is not. I've not seen this car here before. From New York State. So maybe that's why. Maybe he's coming down for the winter. Yeah. Of course, you got a little American flag back here. Around the back. So that's a hell of a lot of car, ain't it?